Trying to tell people what our startup does is so hard now because we are an agentic prospecting tool and everyone just looks at us like, okay, that's another AI BS tool. But with our startup Splatter, this is what agentic prospecting actually means. If you're a human salesperson and you want to sell somebody something, you might look at their LinkedIn profile and their website and come up with some message to try to get their attention. But AI can look at so much more data so much faster than you can. So like one example that brings this to life for people is think of a company that posts a open job, right? This company needs a new marketing person that has 5 years of experience working with HubSpot. Now we can make the assumption that they're growing their marketing team and that they use HubSpot internally. But what if you point that AI at the last 20 years of hiring data? We know what their teams look like. We know what the underlying technology of each of those teams look like. We know the skill sets that they hire on top of the technology to figure out what needs exist. We know things like, are they relatively growing that part of the business, right? Maybe they used to hire one marketing person a year, and this year they hired 5. That means that marketing is growing and that their budget is being allocated there. And that's one data point, just the job postings. Add into that every blog that this company's ever posted, every piece of social media that they've ever posted, all the new products that they've released, the times that they've released them, the teams that have been a part of releasing that. What's happening to their people? Last time they went through layoffs. How's their hiring going? Strategically, where are they headed as an organization? What's going on in their industry? Competitor information. What are their most direct competitors doing that would put pressure on them? So that way, when you go into Splatter and you say, I sell this and this is the problem I solve, now we're not just going to give you a list of people you can go cold call. We're going to prioritize that list and say, these are the exact companies that need your solution and here's why, based on these 17 different things. That is impossible for a human to do, but it exists right now in Splatter, and you can go on our website and try it for free and get mapped to people who literally need to hear from you right now.